Hi everybody, welcome back to Nacy's Closet. In my earlier videos, I did a ocean wave blanket using the ocean wave stitch. And today I'm going to show you how to do that ocean wave stitch by making a scarf. And it's a multiple of 4 plus 2. So I did 26 stitches. Today, I'm using yarn Bee Sugarwheel and the color is blueberry. A number 4 weight, 100% acrylic, 355 yards, and I know I'm gonna need 2. I have 2 of them, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use most of the 2 for the length that I want. So I've chained 26 and I'm going to single crochet starting at the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. I'm going to single crochet. And then I'm going to single crochet all the way across. So just single crochet all the way across. Then I'm at my last stitch. I'm going to single crochet. I will chain 1 and turn. I'm going to do 3 double crochets in the first stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to single crochet. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And go right back into this single crochet and do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the 4th chain. And then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to single crochet right back into, I'm going to do 3 double crochets right back into the single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. The 4th chain, I'm going to single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets right back into the single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Mind you, this is a 1 row repeat, so this is really easy. All you have to do is know how to single crochet and double crochet. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 in the fourth single crochet. We're gonna single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and go right back into the single crochet, space, and do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains. I keep saying chains. Skip 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the 4th. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And go right back into the single crochet and do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. I have to keep pulling my yarn. We have 4 stitches remaining, and we're going to single crochet in the last stitch. We're going to skip 3 and single crochet in the last stitch. We're going to chain 1, we're going to turn, and we're going to do 3 double crochets in the first space. Your first, this is the single crochet that you ended with. So we're going to do 3 double crochets in this stitch. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to skip. See these 3 double crochets? 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip 1, 2, and we're going to do a front post single crochet. By doing that, you take your hook. Okay, you go 1, 2, the 3rd double crochet, you're going to do a front post single. So you're going to bring your hook to the back of the double crochet, and you're going to do a single crochet. Just like that. I'll do it again. You're going to skip the first 2 double crochets, and you're going to do a front post single. You're going to go to the back of the double crochet, and you're going to do a single crochet. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 3 double crochets in this chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to skip 2 double crochets. Again, 1, 2, and we're going to front post single crochet in the back of the 3rd double crochet. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Once again, we're going to skip the first 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and in the 3rd double crochet, we're going to do a front post single. We're going to go to the back of the double crochet, and we're going to do a single. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Once again, we're going to do a front post double crochet, a front post single crochet by going into the back of the 3rd double crochet. We're going to single crochet. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Once again, we're going to count 1, 2, here's the third double crochet. We're going to back post, single crochet. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets in this chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. And now what we're going to do is 1, 2, 3. We're going to just do a single crochet in the last double crochet. We're going to do a single in the last double crochet. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to chain 1, we're going to turn, and we're going to do 3 double crochets in the first single crochet, which is right here. We're going to do 3 double crochets at the very first single crochet. One, 2, 3. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to skip. We're doing the repeat now. We're going to skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and we're going to front post single crochet in the back of the double crochet, and we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, front post single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. Skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, front post double crochet in the third double crochet. Front post single crochet in the third double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. Front post double crochet, front post single crochet in the back of the third double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. I'm at my last chain 3 space. I'm going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to single crochet in the last double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Here's the first one. Here's the second, and here's the third. It's right here. You're going to single crochet. You chain 1, you turn, and you do 3 double crochets in the first stitch. And you just repeat. Every row is the same. This is the third. I'm going to front post single crochet in the third double crochet. I'm going to take my hook, I'm going to go to the back of the double crochet, and I'm going to single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. So this is all you do. I'm going to do a few more rows so you can see what it looks like. How about that? I'm going to do a few more rows. I did a few more rows just so you can see what it looks like. And it looks the same on both sides. It's kind of 3D-ish, isn't it? So remember, it's a 1-row repeat. When you get to the last set of stitches, you're going to skip 1, 2 double crochets. You're going to skip 1, 2 double crochets. You're going to do a front post single crochet. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets in the last chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, and when you end your row, you're going to single crochet in the last double crochet stitch, which is 1, 2, the third one is right here. You're going to single crochet, chain 1, and do 3 double crochets in the first stitch. That's all you do. Same thing every row. You end the same, you start the same. All right, my friends. Take your hook, go into the back of your third double crochet, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. Not here. This is not your chain 3 space. This is your chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Okay? That's all you do. And just continue on. For the length of your scarf, I don't know if you want 60 stitches or 65 stitches. And this is going to be a scarf for me, as it will be for you. A scarf is a good way to practice doing this ocean wave stitch. Before you do a blanket, try a scarf. When you are making the ocean wave scarf, as I am doing, I'm going to make a scarf. I want the bottom, see, okay, this is the bottom, and I want to make the top look the same as the bottom. So what we're going to do, we're going to chain 1 and turn. And we're going to do 3 double crochets in the first single crochet space. We're still going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. The next thing that we're going to do, We're going to go into this chain 3 space and we're going to single crochet. Then we're going to go into this single crochet space right here and we're going to do 3 double crochets. And we are going to repeat. We're going to go into the chain 3 space, single crochet. We're going to go to the single crochet space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the chain 3 space, 3 double crochets in the single crochet space right here. Single crochet in the chain 3 space, 3 double crochets in the single crochet space, single crochet in the chain 3 space. Then I'm going to go to this last single crochet and do 3 double crochets. And here's your 3 double crochets. Now I'm going to end it by going to the 3rd double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to single crochet. And that's it. So once you're done, you just cut your string and you just hide the remaining thread of your yarn into the scarf. And you have a scarf. You have your scarf. See? There you have it, your ocean wave scarf. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, keep crocheting.